Everyone, my name is Raghavan and my teammates name are Harini, Anbuselvan and Rahul. Our topic is revolutionizing logistics.
Our title is Revolutionizing Logistics. Flexport is a global logistic company. The presentation explains modern logistic solutions. Technology plays key role in operations. It focuses on supply chain efficiency.
A business model Canva is a management tool used to understand, design, and improve a business model. It gives one-page visual overview of how a business create a delivery and capture value. The Canva is divided into 9 key building blocks. First, customer is segment. This explains who are the customers a business may serve, including business or different user group. Second, value properties that describe what problem we solve or what value we offer to customers. It explains why customers choose a product or services. Third, channel. This channel how the delivery of our product service to customers such as the website, app stores, and social media. Fourth, the customization relationship. This explains how we interact with the customers like person support, self-service, or automated service. Fifth, and the revenue, it shows how the business earn money such as sales, subscription, or service fees. Sixth, key features. These are the important assets needed to run the business like technology, people, or capital. Seventh, key activities. They are the main action the business must perform such as product or marketing or development. Eight, key partners. These include suppliers or partners who help the business operate.
Key partnership logistic carriers work with shipping, air and road transport companies, help move goods faster and more safely, improve delivery time across countries, reduces delays by choosing better routes. Technology partners uses advanced software and digital tools, help track shipments in real time, improve decision making using data, makes logistic planning smarter and faster. E-commerce integration connects directly with online selling platforms, make order shipping automatic and simple, helps online sellers manage deliveries easily, reduces manual work for business. Regulatory collaboration, work with customers and government authorities, help follow international trade routes, speeds up customer clearance.
Key activities. Flexport manages global freight forwarding. It handles custom clearance services. Warehouse supports inventory management. Custom support ensures service quality. Digital platforms improve logistics efficiency.
Key resources. Skilled professionals drive operations. Global data supports decision making. The digital platforms enables real-time tracking. Warehouse supporting physical logistics. Infrastructure ensures reliable service.
Customer relationship, dedicated account teams, personal support for each client, handle specific business needs, improve customer satisfaction, self-service platform. Easy to use online system, clients manage logistics themselves, save time and effort, tailored advices, expert guidance for logistic issues, customized solutions, help in better decision making, educational resources, training materials and guides, helps understand logistic processes, improve operational efficiency, interactive support, real-time customer assistance, quick problem resolution, build strong client relationship.
Introduction to Flexport. Flexport was founded in 2013. It operates a global freighting forwarder. The company uses technology-driven solution. It improves transparency in logistics. Flexport connects business widely.
Revenue streams. Freight fees earns money from shipping service, covers transport cost and across countries. Main source of revenue, SaaS subscription. Subscription-based digital platform provides logistic tools and analytics, generates returning income. Customer brokerage helps clear goods through customs, ensures rule and law compliance, earns service fees,